Hello everyone, JPV173 here from TheTuckFards, and today I'm doing a quick tutorial on tekkit showing you how to create a password coded door. So yeah, let's get cracking. First of all, you'll need a computer, and to make a computer it's 7 stone blocks, a glass pane and a redstone in the middle. So once you made your computer, come up and put it next to a door. I'm going to put it on the right side of the door, but it doesn't matter if you put it on the left side or the right side of the door, as long as it's adjacent to the door. Yeah, anyway. Put that down, plop it down. Oh, bit of lag there, sorry about that. And yeah, if we right click on the computer, you get this funky little interface here. And it's Craft OS 1.3. So first of all, I'm going to edit the startup. So what you do is type in edit edit startup. Now what this does is edits what happens when the computer starts up. So I'm going to make it say please enter password. So what you do to do that is you do print please enter password, or you can put whatever you want on there. Basically what print means is that it will type the text onto the screen when it starts up. So now that that's done, you press Control and then enter to save it, and then Control again, exit, and as you'll notice nothing's happened. What you have to do is reboot, type reboot, that'll say goodbye, and there you go. Reboot the computer, please enter password, and that's right there. Next thing I'm going to do is create the password. So what you want to do is edit and then type your password. For this I'm just going to type password, and it is case sensitive, so if you put a capital P you have to type a capital P when you type in the password. So password's going to be my password, but you can put it to whatever you want, bananas, cheese strings, whatever. Alright, and then press enter. And then we're going to do print password accepted. Password accepted. Or you can put anything you want. So this is what will come up when you type in this password. It will go password accepted and then open the door, or you can put it to anything like I don't know, correct password or something like that. And then basically you do redstone dot set output and then bracket right, oh wait, bracket right. But if you have your computer on the left of your door, oh no, left even, sorry, left. So that will set a redstone output to the left of the computer, and to the left of the computer is the door in my case. But if you've got it on the right of the computer, you want to set output to the right, if you know what I mean, so that it will set redstone output to the right, open the door. And then we'll put that comma, that is, it's not a full stop, and then true. And then end bracket. And then the next one, sleep for 3 seconds? Yeah, 3 seconds I'll put. And what that does is it sets the redstone output for 3 seconds and then turns it off after that. If you want it less, you put the value of 3 to less. If you want it more, you put the value of 3 to more. And then after 3 seconds, we want the redstone dot set output to the left as false. That will stop the signal, and then we want it to reboot afterwards, so os.reboot. So basically, after the sleep, it will set the redstone output to the left as false, so that will cut off the signal, close the door, and then it will reboot the system so you have to type in the password all over again. And now I'm going to press Control, Enter to save, then Control, right, then exit. And then if I reboot that, goodbye. Oh, sorry about that. What I did wrong was I put red tone instead of redstone. Well, you've got to make sure you spread it right. And for the print, you have to have a lowercase on all of the. So if you had print, you couldn't have capital P for print. You had to have lowercase for print, and redstone lowercase. And for the set output, you have to have an uppercase O as well. So yeah, sorry I didn't mention that. So what you want to do is save that, then exit, then reboot. And now when I type in password accepted, and the door opens for 3 seconds and then closes and the operating system reboots. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is before we completely thief-proof it, I'm going to add some aesthetics to this. So what I'm going to do is edit password again, which is the password or whatever you put as your password. And I'm going to do print password accepted. Before I do that, I'm going to put print loading, dot dot dot, and then sleep for 1 second, and then print password accepted. So what that will do is it'll, when you type in the password, it goes loading, or you can put whatever you want, like analyzing password or something like that, or whatever. And then it will sleep, and it will do that for 1 second, and then password accepted, open the door, and you're in. I just think that's quite a nice touch, in my opinion. Alright, so I'll save that, exit, and then reboot. And now, when I type in password, loading, and then password accepted, and it opened the door. You can have the loading for longer if you put the sleep for longer, etc. Okay, next what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a password override. Basically, this allows you to keep the door open for as long as you need, just leave it open for as long as you need, let people in and out, and then all you have to do to close it is reboot. So what you do to do this is edit, and then whatever override password you want. In this case I'm just going to use override. Okay, what you want to do for the override, it's similar to the normal password but without a sleep. So what you're going to do is, without a redstone set false even, so print, so when you type in the password I want it to print manual override accepted. Manual override accepted, and then I want it to set the redstone output, so redstone.setOutput to the left, space, true. And then I'll save that, exit, and then reboot. Now when I type in overrides, manual override accepted, and the door stays open. Now what you do to close the door, all you have to do is type in reboot, that will reboot your system and it will close the door. Okie dokie. Next what I'm going to do is some thief-proofing to the door so that people can't hack your door if you're playing an online server or something like that. So first of all, what I'm going to do is edit list and print no hacking. Save that and exit. Alright, next thing you want to do is edit programs and then print stop hacking or whatever you want to print. I reckon you want to do edit Lua and then make that print no hacking. or whatever you want it to print. And control, save that, control, exit. Right, now what you want to do is go to edit, CD, enter, and then make that print whatever you want. Again, I'm just going to put no hacking. No hacking. Save that, exit. Okay, next thing I'm going to do is edit, edit. Now only do this after you've done all the steps before this step, because otherwise you can't edit, so you can't edit Lua and stuff like that. Okay, what you want to do here is just the same thing, print no hacking, or whatever you want to say. No hacks this time, might as well change it up. And then save that and exit. And that is basically it. So now when I try to do edit, no hacks, edit, and then if I do Lua, no hacking, you know, stuff like that. And then password, loading, opens the door. It's pretty nice. So yeah, thanks for watching the tutorial guys, and I'll see you in the next video.